सो दिस इज़ फॉर द कमर्शियल एकेडमी। यहाँ मुझे कभी कुछ पराया नहीं लगा और एक अपनापन मिला। एंड आई नेवर फेल्ट डिससेटिस्फाइड फॉर एनीथिंग इन माई 11th and 12th standard. So thank you and happiest 8th anniversary to our whole commercial family.
Today I am here to speak about Sachin sir. First of all, thank you sir for giving a great opportunity to become a part of Commercial Academy. Thanks for everything you gave to us. Whenever we score less in test or we are low in our studies, sir motivates us a lot and guide in a proper way that you should do like this or like this to score much or even better. And the main excellence and picnic without Sachin sir is nothing. We have spent a lot of time with sir and we had all great memories with sir. Sachin sir is like cherry on the cake.
Hello sir, congratulations. It's been a heck of a ride and we've known you since so many years and you've come so far. We really would like to thank you for putting efforts in us, for working for us and working on us. You've never neglected anything or anyone and you've always been our guide as well as our friend, and we couldn't ask for more. We couldn't be lucky enough. No one could ever find a mentor like you. So we wish you nothing but success and lots of love and stay safe. Hope we meet you soon.
Introduced to Commercial Academy. I am here to talk about Purnia ma'am. She is a great guide and a great mentor. Nobody could disagree on the fact that she takes the most interesting informative sessions. She's been there for us since we were in 8th, 9th till we are in entrance, and she has helped us through every path, and I would like to thank her for that.
Hello everyone. So today I'm here to tell you few words about our beloved CSMS sir. Literally I have no words to tell about his teaching style, his way of explaining concept with proper examples, because it is of just next level. The way he used to clear the doubts of the students by interacting with them is just awesome. Sir, your motivation for many of us. Thank you for being with us and supporting us throughout the journey and hoping for spending some fun time like this in the future. Thank you.
Today I am here to speak about Shiva sir. Shiva sir is one of my most favorite sir I ever met in my life. Shiva sir is the one who makes difficult things seems very easy. He motivates us a lot and he guides us in a proper way that we score great marks in all our exams. Even in entrance he is there for us. We have a great memory with Shiva sir and whole commercial team. Thanks a lot.
So Commercial, happy 8th anniversary, and I'm here to talk about Chirag sir. Chirag sir, you're just an amazing professor. You're more like a friend. You know us, you understand us. Thanks for that, and thanks for being there always, and not just in class but outside the class, and through different ways of course. And thank you. You have no idea how grateful we are to have a professor like you. Thank you sir, stay blessed and hope we meet soon.
So here I am going to talk about सुजीत सर. सुजीत सर, आप दिखते बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट गुस्से टाइप पर आप हो नहीं, मुझे पता है. आपने हमेशा मुझे समझा है. जहाँ मैं गलत हुई हूँ वहाँ आपने मुझे समझाया है. यू आर माई सपोर्ट सिस्टम एंड यू आर माई वन ऑफ द फेवरेट सर इन कमर्शियल एकेडमी. सो थैंक यू फॉर ऑलवेज देयर विथ मी एंड वी ऑल मिस यू सर.
Happy 8th anniversary to Commercial. I'm here to talk about Shivanand sir. Sir, you've been a great mentor, guide and a friend. You always supported us and helped us. You made difficult concept seems easy and always made us laugh a lot. So I'm very grateful for that and thank you sir.
Guys, what's up? This is Kashif Syed and today I will like to tell about Sujit sir who always guided us, supported us and motivated us a lot. He was my first teacher who had taught me ABCD first. I truly inspired by him. I will like to thanks a lot to Commercial Academy too. Thanks a lot, thanks a lot, thanks a lot sir.
Hey everyone. So today I'm here to tell you about our cool and dashing Jayesh sir. The teaching style of Jayesh sir was of just next level because he used to teach us with very high energy during his lectures. The whole class used to be energetic. I still remember the examples provided by him while explaining the concept. The best thing about Jayesh sir is that he makes the difficult accounts simple by giving funny shortcuts and rhyming examples. So thank you, sir, for being there with us in this journey.
Today I got this opportunity to speak about our well-experienced teachers Pankaj sir and Sandesh sir. Thank you so much to both of you for always believing in us. Thank you so much for all the hard work. Thank you so much for always being with us as our backbone. And congratulations to the 8-year success of Commercia Academy.
And I would like to thank Sachin sir, Purnima, Biju sir, Sujit sir, and all the teaching staff for taking that extra effort for us, for running that extra mile. It would have been impossible without you. Happy 8 years to Commercia, many more to go.